He said he want a key to that one and now.
Okay.
Can you make one?
Who? Where he at?
Right here. Here he comes.
Oh, okay.
Cause see, it's a. I don't know how you the.
I don't know which one. He don't know which one's locked either, huh?
It could be all of them.
Well, this deadbolt ain't on this one.
Oh,
so I know the knob on that one. It's no different.
But they changed both of the knobs. Both of the knobs new. The one on the inside.
What I'm speaking on is pricing. And so he want these, but I know the bottom just locked on this one.
Yeah.
And so we don't know about the rest of them, huh?
No, that's changed too.
No.
You don't know.
Is the
Where are your keys?
Listen.
Where are your keys?
He's asking you if the deadbolt locked on the other.
You don't know, correct?
No.
Okay, I see what
Cause I know this.
Key.
I know this one. You got a key?
For the inside.
Oh, okay. So it's just this one knob.
Yeah.
All right. It's $65 to get you in.
Gotcha.
And you need keys made for these?
For that deadbolt?
Yep. Any of I don't know.
Whatever's changed, yes.
Whatever's changed. Yeah. All right. So it's $20 on knobs and $25 on deadbolts.
You know what that is. I got it. But it's not going to be on him. It's going to go to the court. And it's going to be on him. Cat, I just need you to make me a receipt.
Gotcha. It's going to be through email.
I take it.
I just had to get your email.
Okay.
And look who's running for their beer.
Yeah, you lazy son of a gun.
Oh, thank you, man. Hey, you should have seen the police officer, son.
Where?
And my son's a locksmith. He owns his own company. He works here in the surrounding
And
area.
that's real cool.
They lit up. He was like, "Oh, that's really nice."
Yeah. Actually, I was trying to get your attention yesterday when you were pulling off.
Yeah. Oh, that's open. That knob all busted up too. You can go in there and take a look at it. I see right now that knob is busted up. So it don't look like that knob in the inside is connected.
Check that knob.
Yeah, they bust up the knob. Probably
Okay. Okay. So that's you're going. I get a new.
So let me know what you want done.
New.
I mean,
You do that top and bottom.
like 4
Shit,
minutes.
that was 2 minutes.
Oh yeah, I get in there quick.
In there? Surely.
That's the
ASAP.
job
Lock
right
pick, hey
there.
man.
Hey,
I
sir.
see the little lock picks on Amazon. The worst
My son got work to do.
You can't even lock the front door no more.
What you can lock that security door though.
Nah, that's fucked up too.
See what you all want done real quick.
You can lock the security door. Oh, I need a security.
Yeah, this.
I need that key.
Okay, but he's saying there's some other problems. So if you want to get them problems fixed, or you,
No,
because he said something ain't locking.
Just change that.
So
But can you do something for the top?
top and bottom.
Yeah, the top.
That's it.
It don't lock.
It doesn't lock.
It gotta be pushed. It gotta. You know when Big Mac game with the doors, you had to push that door harder to get it in.
Hey, man,
You gotta open up that that space.
Part.
That spacing right there.
Yeah.
You gotta open it up.
Yeah.
These doors warp, so they'll drop or any under elements.
You want the top lock done also? The deadbolt?
That's the deadbolt.
You want that done?
Yeah.
Okay.
We good. I mean, on my end, I'm good. I can charge it off.
You want this? You want this paired to this inside, or you want a whole new key?
No,
I thought
it
the
doesn't
inside
pair.
door was messed up.
The inside door is not even good because
He's not worried about that door.
Yeah,
Just
they
the
look like somebody rammed that motherfucker.
But then now they ain't gonna be able to get in or out that security door if they got back in.
No, because you got the key.
You see what I'm saying?
You just change it. Unless they get in some way and change the deadbolt.
They can't do that. I mean, they can do that, but that's the first thing.